Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off online speech recognition in Windows 11. This feature uses Microsoft Cloud-based service to recognize your voice and convert it into text. To turn it off, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter, and then in the setting page, you can go to your privacy and security in the left side menu. And then if you scroll down, you will find speech, click on it, and then you will see online speech recognition. Now you can just click on it to turn it off. Windows will stop sending your voice data to Microsoft Online Speech Recognition Service. Device-based speech features will still be available. Keep in mind that cloud-based voice typing, which you can open using Windows and Edge, may stop working. So if you regularly use voice typing, you may want to leave this setting turned on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.